Oh yeah. There's one on the pavement. There's another one jumping the lights and on the pavement. Jumping the lights. Another one. Another one jumping the lights. There's one on the pavement. Fucking idiot. Jumping the lights. Another one on the pavement. And there's one cycling on the pavement. There's one cycling on the pavement there. Oh, jumping the lights, wrong side of the road. Scum. Another one cycling on the pavement. Jumping the lights. Twat. Jumping the lights. Twat part 2 and part 3. Another one jumping the lights. Cunt. Whoa, 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 whoa! Red light's not apply to you then? Scumbag. Oh, more jumpers. Fucking scum. There's one cycling on the pavement there. Perfectly good cycle lane here, mate. Oh, jumping the lights. And no real light on by the looks of it either. Oh, jumping the lights. Twat. And there's another twat cycling on the pavement. One on the wrong side. Another idiot going the wrong way up a one-way street. There's one jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. And me. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Scumbag cycling on the pavement. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Fucking idiot cycling on the pavement. Jumping the lights. And here we have a twat going the wrong way up a one-way street. Moron. And there's one going the wrong way down a one-way street. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Twat. Sake. Dick.